ওয়েলকাম স্টুডেন্টস, স্টাডি সার্কেলে সবাইকে আরেকবার স্বাগত। আমি সুদীপ্ত স্যার, ওয়ান্স অ্যাগেন উইথ ইউ উইথ দ্য সায়েন্স কুইজ। আজকে সায়েন্স কুইজের উপর ডিসকাশন হবে। এর আগের ভিডিওতে আমি ডিসকাস করেছিলাম। ওয়ান্স অ্যাগেন এ ফিউ কোয়েশ্চেন্স অ্যান্ড আনসার্স উইল বি ডিসকাসড নাও। If you want, you can take it down in your exercise book. This is very much important for all types of competitive exam. So let's start. First question: a sharp knife cuts better than a blunt one. Why? Now, with answer is, with a sharp knife, greater pressure could be applied as the applied force act on a smaller area. Next question: a man sitting on a boat floating in a pool drinks some water from the pool so that the water level of the pool gets down a little. Is it true? Explain. Answer is no. When the man drinks some water, his weight would increase and thus displace some amount of water, thereby keeping the water level same. Third question: what will happen to the value of the acceleration due to gravity if the earth stops rotating? The answer is gravitation pull, or G, here rather small g. There are two types of G: capital G, that is universal gravitational constant, and small g, that is acceleration due to gravity. Now, the value of small g will increase as centrifugal forces would be absent. And number two, what will happen if the value of the acceleration due to gravity if the speed of the earth increases? So if the speed of the earth increases, the value of acceleration due to gravity will decrease as centrifugal force would increase. Next question: can a raw egg be distinguished from a hard boiled one by spinning each one on the table? Yes, boiled egg will act as a rigid body and will spin for a long time. Next question: why does the friction increases on polishing a surface too much? When a surface is polished beyond a limit, cold welding starts, which increases friction. Next question: why does a car get locked in mud, fail to advance, though its wheels goes on rotating? Due to absence of friction in the mud, the wheels would spin around but the car would not move. Next question: the blades of a turbine are usually curved. Why? Answer is, by doing so, momentum transfer to the turbine is made to be more. Next question: why do the mountain roads wind up gradually? In this way, less force is required to overcome the component of gravity. Next question: a man swimming upstream is at rest with respect to the shore. Is he doing work? So the answer is, the man is applying force on the water and there is displacement of the water. So even when he has no displacement with respect to the shore, he is doing work. Next question: what do up and down mean to an observer on the earth? Now here scientifically, what do up and down means? The answer is the direction towards the acceleration due to gravity is considered conventionally as down and the opposite direction as up. Next question. What is escape velocity? The escape velocity is the least velocity with which a body must be projected vertically upward in order that it may just escape the gravitational pull of the earth. Next question. We cannot move a finger without disturbing all the stars. Explain. So this is a tricky question. Let's see what is the answer. Everybody in this universe is attracted by the every other body in the universe. All the stars thus attract our finger. Of course, the distance being very large, the magnitudes of these forces would be negligibly small. So, on moving a finger, these forces remain unaffected. Next question. Why does a satellite need no fuel to move around a planet in a fixed orbit? The answer is the centripetal force required by a satellite to move in the fixed orbit is provided by the force due to gravitational attraction between the satellite and the planet around which it revolves. Thus, the satellite does not require any fuel. Next question. The earth is constantly exerting a pull on the moon. Why does the moon not simply fall into the earth? The answer, the moon is not falling on the earth as it already has a tangential speed of just the right amount that it keeps going in a circle under the influence of the earth's attraction. Next question. Why does a tennis ball bounce higher on hills than on plains? Answer. At hilltops, the acceleration due to gravity is less than that at the plains. Thus, a tennis ball bounces higher on hills than on plains. Next question. Platinum can be easily fused into glass. Why? Answer is it is because the coefficient of expansion of platinum is nearly equal to that of the glass. Next question. Why does a boy in a merry-go-round press the side of his seat radially outward? Answer. The boy presses the side of the seat radially outward. From Newton's third law, the side of the seat presses him radially inward, thus providing the centripetal force needed to keep him in circular motion. And last question for today. Why Vaseline and glycerin applied on the lips during winter? Answer is glycerin or Vaseline puts a covering over the lips and does not allow the water from the lips to be evaporated. So this much for today's video. So if you have any doubts, please do write comments. Otherwise, please share the video to your friends, relatives, in your nearest kin, and please do subscribe the channel and press on the bell button so that all notifications of the future upcoming videos is being provided you very smoothly. So thank you for giving us time. Thank you for listening.